Morning, Jason.
Morning, Kevin.
Sun shining.
Birds are tweeting.
Yeah. Singing.
Summer's nearly around the corner.
Yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah, we're not far off.
Yep. What we doing?
What?
What we're doing today? This one.
Yeah. Little one.
Little one.
Oh, have you been up to anything?
Not really. Garden centre the other day, got some plants.
Is that it?
That's it. Yeah. Stuck some flowers in the garden.
I did that as well, Kev.
Did you?
Yeah. Yeah.
You?
Yeah.
You mean you sat and watched Nicky doing it?
No, no. All I wanted to do this weekend was cut some grass and even put some lines on it as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then got some plants, put some plants in.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watered them.
Yeah.
And I even talked to a couple of them.
Did you?
A couple that I like, yeah.
They're dead now, don't they?
Before
They died of both.
I want to show you something. I'm checking the van off. Just come here a sec. Come here. Checking this little van off. What a whoa, we're getting wet on here.
Raining.
Checking this little van off, right?
Yeah.
What a cracking little van it is as well. It's got an Abaspat heater over there.
Yep.
Proper thing. We've got a little 12 volt fridge there, compressor fridge.
Yeah.
Right. We've got the hobs under there.
Yeah.
Right. But just come around here. This is dedicated worker there, look.
Takes a lot of skill to do that.
Doesn't it? Yeah.
To point it in the right direction.
Yeah. Years of skill. Because what it takes, Kev, what you realise it takes is a lot of years of standing in one position and not moving.
Always piping one and fagging the other.
Yeah. And then to be able to point. It's dedication. It's a bit like the shower monks, isn't it?
Got to be careful when he goes to take a drag of his fag, you don't shove the hose pipe in his head.
Look again, look. We've got the electrics, we've got the pump, back of the compressor fridge, battery charger. It's just, who's done this van? I think it's, I don't know, I think it's else. I think just double check.
Got anything on number plate?
I think it's Hillside, I'm not sure. I don't give them credit for it. No, it is Hillside.
Stuart Hawk, oh that's the dealer. Yeah, Hillside,
yeah. Really nice, good van, really good, well built. Anyway, let's have a look at another van.
That's on a Nissan as well, which is a pretty good van. Right, this is on a Peugeot, 15 plate.
We're selling now a lot of these smaller ones, Kev.
Yeah.
They're becoming really popular for people on their own or two of you just to go out and more importantly use the car as a dual purpose. And what I mean by dual purpose is basically
everyday driver.
Thank you, Kev. Right, Peugeot partner a Horizon Tepee. It is. It's classed as a 2-berth. It's a 1.6 HDI diesel. Only 2 owners. 2015. Mileage. What do you think?
2015?
Yeah.
What, 60?
No, 20,000 miles.
Oh,
yeah. Service history here, 10,000 miles. It's had the cam belt done last year. New coil springs on it, so it's been looked after, Kev.
Yeah.
It's been looked after.
Yeah, nice looking little one.
Isn't it? Shall we put the roof up?
Put the roof up. Who's done the conversion? Is that the company, Horizon?
Yeah. I think it's going to be the company there, Kev. I think it is, yeah. Fresh water capacity. I think someone's taking the mickey here.
10 litre?
I've got 2 litre.
2 litre? No, not that.
I think we are.
Your minimum will be about 4.5 water container, won't it?
Yeah.
Unless it's got a 2 litre milk bottle in it. Man the step.
Oh look! There you go.
Yeah. It's different.
Just get some light in here, Kev, for you.
Should we open the back door? Just let a bit more.
Yeah, go on then. We haven't had a wander around it either.
No, we haven't. Well, look.
Come on, Kev.
It's been a mobility vehicle.
Oh, okay.
I'm sure we've done this one before.
I don't think we have. No.
I remember that with the back bumper. There.
No, you're getting confused. It was another one.
Oh, we had another one the same then.
Yeah, it was another one. Why didn't that one come down?
That was the ramp when it was a mobility vehicle, wasn't it?
Oh, I gather that, Kev.
You lift it up now.
It's all the storage under there.
Does it lift up and then drop down?
Oh, okay, hang on. Oh, oh, oh. See, we haven't done this one before because we didn't have this problem, did we?
No, the other one dropped down, yeah.
Yeah. So it's probably on a catch, isn't it?
Yeah, that's where the ramp was, wasn't it, when it was a mobility vehicle.
Yeah, now I can't shut it. There you go. Oh, just thought, if you're looking at financing your motorhome, or you want to just get a bit more money to get a bit more of a motorhome, Pegasus Finance, our partners.
That's right.
So if you go on the website, all the links are below. Give them a shout and they'll try and get you obviously sorted out for buying your motorhome, your campervan, or any type of finance, I think. Or any type of finance, Kev, I think.
Yeah.
So, right, let's move on. Oh, okay. Is that our... Hey,
Yeah, 4.5.
so what are you going for?
Yeah, it's a gallon container, isn't it? 4.5 litres.
Okay. 8 pints is a gallon, isn't it? 8 pints is a gallon, isn't it?
Yeah. Or 4.5 litres.
Oh, okay. What have we got here? There's the pump.
Yep.
A little funky pump, that, isn't it?
Yeah.
And then we've got the consumer unit there,
Yep.
the electrics. Did we have a look around here, Kev? Anything else happening? No, not an awful
I'll tell you what, if it's two berth, it's got to be 2 slim people.
Well, that'll be for me and somebody else, won't it, Kev? Hey?
You and Twiggy.
Who's Twiggy?
She was a model in the 60s, wasn't she?
Oh, okay.
Dead skinny. Yeah, she cleared it. I remember she cleared off to America and said, oh, I've had enough of England and all that. Until she got pregnant, she come back to have the baby.
Oh, right, who's she married to?
I don't know.
You stop there, I'll go inside.
Some fella.
Is there anything underneath here, Kev? Oh no, they don't lift up. No.
Now you got cupboards underneath, you got storage underneath there.
That's... There we go. Oh, what have we got here?
Well, little fridge.
Yeah.
That's different.
I like that.
Yeah.
Dometic one as well, Kev.
Oh, right.
What have we got under here?
Yeah, compressor, that one.
Yeah, it's got to be.
Yeah, just storage in it.
How do you switch it on? Ah, there you go, yeah, little compressor.
Yeah, yeah.
That's good enough, isn't it, for a van this side?
Yeah.
Let's put that one back.
A little
Oh, Kev, look at that fritter.
single burner hob.
Look at that.
Yeah. All you need, isn't it?
Oh, look at that.
Bit more storage up there.
Was that the cutest little...
Little light underneath it.
Oh, yeah. I'll just switch everything on. Storage in there, Kev.
Yep. Storage in there.
Yeah. Oh, hang on, we've got the gas bottle in here. You're going to have to come round.
But we're on camping gas.
Yeah, camping gas.
Yep.
Yeah, we've got the drop vent in as well. We've got the well.
Yep.
So that's all looking good.
There's your panel there.
Oh, I've got 230. We've got DC. 2 USBs. Yes. Liking that, Kev. Liking that. And then we've obviously. I want to try this. Haven't you?
Yeah, you slide your seat forward.
Yeah, you're right. You would, wouldn't you? Slide it forward.
Oh, look.
I've got one of them, Kev. Look. Look at that.
That'd be on an aeroplane, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's handy.
And then do you want to do the cab?
Yeah, we've got what we've got. 5-speed manual. CD player.
We've got aircon.
Got aircon, yeah. Yep. Okay, quite a neat little cab. And the seats fold.
They're going to drop down, aren't they? That's it. There you go.
Yeah. Yeah, so that'll give you a lot more space anyway, won't it?
Yeah.
You could do the same with the driver's seat, couldn't you?
Yeah, so it's 2,040 kilograms. That's the weight of it.
Yeah.
Only 4.38 metres long, Cav. Also we've got the water pump on it. Pop down tables and everything. The little pop-up roof. That makes a difference.
Yeah. Yeah, you can stand up in it.
Yeah, you can. It stops the claustrophobic coming in.
I notice these things up here. But...
What are you looking at? These?
Yeah.
They're like hidey holes.
Oh, ideals.
That's what I'm going to call them, hidey holes. But look, to everybody watching the video, it might not look like a camper van with all your bells and whistles, or your motorhome with all your bells and whistles. It's all about getting out there, and this serves the purpose. Going out for a couple of days, suits a fisherman, walkers, someone who's going to visit people. You've got somewhere to lie down, Kev, haven't you?
Yeah.
You've got a hob if you want to make some.
Got your fridge?
You've got your fridge, your cool box more. I'd say it's more of a cool box, isn't it, or a fridge? Would you go fridge?
Oh, yeah, I think it's a compressor, isn't it?
Yeah, okay. Then we'll go fridge. So this is what this is all about, and like I say, they're getting more and more popular now, people buying these as well, so they can just off they go. And especially with the weather, it's been a bit sporadic, isn't it, as well? Yeah. So you can just jump in and just go away, even if you're going to festivals.
A bit of a mini heat wave, haven't we?
Yeah. So yeah, to some people this might not be the all dancing.
No.
What's your thoughts on it, Kev?
I like it. So, yeah, like you say, some people might say it's not the all singing, all dancing, but it serves a purpose.
That's exactly what it does, Kev. It serves a purpose.
An everyday driver. I'd say single person rather than a couple.
Yeah, yeah.
Unless you're a very thin couple, then you could sleep two in there. Yeah. But yeah.
Well, it's basically one person and a dog. Do you know what I mean? It's a perfect little thing.
Take a tent with you, put your tent up, and you can put all your stuff in your tent.
That's a great shout, Kev.
Because you'd load all your stuff in here anyway, wouldn't you? Like your chairs and everything. Yeah. Once you get on the site, put your tent up, put your chairs and everything in the tent.
That's a good shout. That's a really good shout. So yeah, we are finding these are more and more popular because obviously the motorhome campervan boom hasn't really died, has it?
No.
We're getting more and more, especially when we have the good weather as well. But a van like this, it's just perfect. You just jump in and off you go.
You could even probably get a little tailgate awning. You
could do.
It's got the pop-up tailgate.
But I think what you just said there about having a tent, absolutely brilliant. Like you say, you can put it out there, put your stuff in here and then move it into the tent when you get there. So these are going to be round about the 20 grand. It's going to cost you. It's got good mileage.
And it's a nice conversion.
It is a nice conversion.
Good quality.
Yeah, it is. So our battery's going to run out. If you've enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and we'll go and find another motorhome or campervan or minivan.
Well, the sun's shining.
Ho ho.